Ka Kynhun Myntri ka Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA hapo ka jingelam Myntri rangba o konrad ki sangma hagasngi palay kala ay jing manjur ya ka draft resolution ban Pyrshah ka jingti Uranium hapo ka jila Meghalaya. Ya kani ka resolution anra bat wanra hapo ka darbar sunrai jing Meghalaya Legislative Assembly ka ban sedang nadok arp South Rek unailar arajar arpendriu. Habakran shkilat pathai khubor hadin ka jingelang Myntri rangba ula pentip ka Kynhun Myntri kalaya tai bat shimrai halor shiphautli ki mat trekam balawan ra hagani kasngi. Kamat ka baar bala manjur kalong Meghalaya Official Languages Bill 2026 ukon rat uloong bayakani ka jingpin kalala wan ra menshwa lingba ka ordinance. Henry namar baka dorbar sunrai kan sisdang ka sarkar kan wan ra no yaka kum ka bill hapo ka yung dorbar thawai. Lingba gani ka bill on aijing ito ikaktin khasi bat garu kum giktin sarkar jaga jila Meghalaya. Ka Kynhun Myntri kalaya tai bat aijing menjeru ikimat baper ki ban penrung hapo ka jingpren jang Myntri rangba hagasngi rakhi ki Independence Day. Hagawi pat karai ka bakongsan ka Kynhun Myntri kala pediang bat menjeri ka kaipon jong ka expert committee ka bala create u Professor David Imli halor ka jing penrung ya kawi ka paper kerpang shapang ka jila Meghalaya hapo ka examine ya kun Meghalaya Civil Services MCS. Kani kanong ka paper ka ba Henry ne paper 6 ka ba on bo kerpang halor ka history ka culture ki rukam sun shartin rai ka yo ka kot bat ki wei pat ki benta ba kong sanjong ka jila. Myntri rangba uloong ba ka jingtmu jong kani ka sinjam ka long ban pintikna ba ki officer MCS kanon ka jingtip ka babnya shapang ka Meghalaya ka history ka culture ka rukam sun shar bat ka yo ka kot jong ka jila.
The first item was the approval of the draft resolution against the mining of uranium in the state of Meghalaya, which will be moved in the upcoming autumn session of 2026, which will start on the 24th of this month. So the resolution was cleared by the cabinet today. The second agenda was the Meghalaya Official Languages Bill 2026. As you're aware that this had come in the form of an ordinance, and now since the session is coming, we will be formally taking up the bill and passing the new act, amended act, where Khasi and Garo also will be official languages of the state. Third was the speech that has to be given in the Independence Day. Those different aspects of the speeches were discussed and were shared with the cabinet. We had put up an expert committee to basically include a chapter on the state, on Meghalaya state and its history, its culture and all the other information in the MCS competitive exam. So there's going to be an additional paper number 6, which will be specifically on the state of Meghalaya. And the objective being that MCS officers must have knowledge of the state, including its history, its culture, its different systems, and different economic aspects, and so on and so forth. There's a full report on it, which was submitted by the committee, which was headed by Professor David Semle. And we have approved that committee's report today in the cabinet.